Gonna do a quick walk around on the current project. This is a 2005 Jeep Liberty. It runs and drives. I picked it up at an auction because it had a front end wreck here. So I've already gone to the junkyard. I haven't cleaned this or anything. I just kind of drove it around a little, made sure it ran okay, and I will detail this out. And I've already gone to the junkyard and I picked up a new front bumper, and the grill and fender are cracked, so I've got a nice fresh grill here and a fender. And it's got a couple smalls. It's got an electrical issue with the rear latch here. And the other major thing is the interior looks like, I don't know, somebody used it as a chicken coop. And so I got this thing for a pretty good deal at the auction because the interior is so nasty. I mean, just gross. But that is workable. So I will gut this interior, and I already went to the junkyard, and here is a complete interior that's in pretty good shape. Just got to do a little bit of cleaning, and even got the carpet and everything. So I'm going to go ahead and disassemble it, clean it all up, and I'll put this fresh interior in here, and you'll never even be able to tell. So stay tuned, and I'll highlight the process. Okay, so I've got the vehicle in. I just pulled the grill here. It's damaged. Gonna put the fender on, and then on the inside here I've gutted the interior. Took about 35 minutes to get everything out, and I'll just clean it and pop the new interior in. And get the fresh fender on, and it'll look like nothing ever happened. Here we are. Yes, this is the same Jeep. So we've got the fender, a grill, and the front bumper all bolted on, and it came out pretty nice. So we got to stick the emblem on, but just wanted to do a final update on the Jeep Liberty. So you can see the front has been repaired, new fender on. Here's the interior. Carpet was completely replaced, all the seats. Found a whole interior in the junkyard for a good price. It's really a pretty clean vehicle overall. Just had that slight wreck, so it's fixed. Interior is detailed. Should be a real nice vehicle.